Alright, hey guys, here we have a Casablanca Delta 2 in antique brass. This is a fan that I picked up from the restore the other day. It originally had a K4 or a K4S light fitter, well, part of it anyways. The arms had been removed, so they just left the, I don't know, the switch cap portion, kind of acting as a switch cap. But I removed that, and I didn't feel like digging for any switch caps, so I found a K4S that was easily accessible. Threw this on there and got some shades that I found yesterday. But yeah, it was originally going to go to a friend, but I think I'm just going to hang on to it because it's in like perfect condition. It's second to that of being in box. I mean, this thing is pretty amazing. It's all around really clean. Sometimes, most of the time when you get a fan, there's a little dirt or whatever on top of the switch housing and motor housing. A couple of scuffs and scratches here and there, but this doesn't really have anything. Blades are all, aside from warpage, those are pretty much perfect. There was a couple chips of the black lacquer or whatever on the bottom because they zip tied all of them together and they were scraping on one of the blade arms when they had it in the store. But yeah, other than that, finish is like pretty much perfect. Blades are pretty much perfect. Yeah, overall really good condition. Glad I picked it up. Even the blades were really clean. Usually when I get a fan, I'll sit there and I'll polish them for a few minutes, but these were good to go. Yeah, see, even the top's clean. This fan is from September 21st, 1994, and was the 106th fan made that day. Go ahead and test out the light. And the fan. The blades were, well, they still are warped, but one of them, so two of the blades were like pretty much perfectly straight. Two of them were twisted. They start out flat and they twist downwards, so they had less pitch toward the end. And one of them twisted the opposite way, so it had more pitch at the end, and that was causing it to be noisier and to wobble. So I had to tweak one of the blade arms so that it would be level and not wobble. Yeah, I guess this restorer that I got it from is notorious for screwing everything up. I got lucky this time. Both fans that I bought were in good condition. And let's go to high. There was also a Sierra there. Fan had, pretty much been scrapped. It was just the motor, wires were cut, switch housing and everything were all mangled. But I did manage to find the canopy. Flywheel on this was really straight too. Kind of surprising given that the blades were so warped. So I'm not sure if this fan was new in box, used for a few years, then donated, or what the deal was. Looks good from my angle. Camera's not really liking the light. Another reason I did this is because this is kind of what I want to mimic from my friend's house. Probably shades that aren't too common. Because there's going to be three delta 2s going up, all antique brass. So I'm gonna look for some that aren't in like perfect condition to do for that. I like to keep better condition fans for myself. Long spin down. Alright, and since this is a 4-5 blade flywheel, I am going to switch it to 4 blades, and I will be right back. Alright, hey guys, I'm back with the Delta 2 and 4 blade configuration. Delta 2 is probably, for me, it's like the Zephyr. It's one of the most versatile 4 and 5 blade fans out there. Victorian too, not the second, Victorian also. Anyways, I just think it's one of the better fans that, can fit either 4 or 5 blade configuration and still look good doing it. Probably because it, originally started out as 4 blades, so it just always looks good. But yeah, go ahead and take a look-see. I didn't even check to see if this wobbles or not. I probably should have done that first. Pulling tip blades would have made it better, but I'm not going to complain. Let's go to medium. I'm still kind of trying to get used to the whole reverse 3-speed, because everything I ever test speed is either IntelliTouch or high, medium, low. And I don't think I do too many 3-speed Casablancas. Hey, let's go to high. Yeah, I did a pretty good job picking up blades. It doesn't wobble. That's actually pretty well aligned too. I don't know if when I do the install, if I'm gonna do 4 or 5 blades. I'm thinking probably whatever they come with, because I don't have, just a couple random blades laying around. Because you're not going to be able to go on anything but that fan anyways, because all the blades are going to be the same weight. I don't know. So I guess I'm going to shoot for 5 blade only, or 4 and 5 blade Delta 2s. So I can do 5 blades on all of them. Yeah, that's definitely a good spin down. I did boil it prior because I've been getting into the habit of doing that with everything. At least K55 fans, I've just kind of been leaving anything from that spinner. Yeah, definitely a good spin down. Alright, well there's my antique brass Delta 2. Hope you guys enjoyed, and thanks for watching.